Welcome to the Simplified Uplifters Marriage Mastery podcast, where we help couples strengthen connection, improve communication, and build healthy love that lasts. Today, we're talking about emotional safety because without it, even simple conversations can feel threatening. And with it, even hard conversations can bring couples closer. Let's get into it. Why conversations escalate. Most arguments aren't about the topic, they're about safety. When safety drops, defensiveness rises, listening stops, protection replaces connection. Couples don't fight because they want to hurt each other. They fight because they feel unsafe. Using Simone and Caleb. Same talk, different experience. Simone brings up an issue calmly. Caleb's body hears danger. Caleb pulls back. Simone's body hears abandonment. Now both are protecting themselves. No one is wrong, but no one feels safe. This is how emotional safety, not communication skill, determines outcomes. So what emotional safety actually is? Emotional safety is feeling heard without punishment, expressing needs without escalation, knowing repair is possible. Safety is not agreement. Safety is permission to be human. Caleb learns to signal presence. Simone learns to slow urgency. So, let's build safety before solving. Here are a few safety building practices. Tone awareness, timing, respect naming overwhelm, reassurance before resolution, connection comes before correction. We talked about this in the past, but we will stress here again why safety deepens intimacy. When safety increases, defensiveness decreases, curiosity returns, intimacy grows. Simone and Caleb stop bracing for impact and start leaning toward each other. As we close out today, be clear in understanding that your marriage doesn't need perfect communication. It needs emotional safety. Thanks again for your presence. And most important, remember, you are extraordinary.